Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'll be talking about this ZOBAG, and the best thing about this is it is very affordable. Also it has 4 to 5 products which are related to skincare and also hair care, and they are also available in full size and some of them are in sample size, and sometimes they give cosmetic as well. Like this time I have got a red nail paint, and quickly one by one I'll be talking about everything and I'll show you guys how the products are, and they are all organic products. It does not include anything which is harshly made up of chemicals, which is a great thing guys. And one by one I'll be discussing everything with you guys and I'll show you what it all has. So we are gonna quickly get into the video. Also, if you're someone who isn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me. So now let's quickly get into the video and I'll keep talking about the products. So guys, the first product I'm going to be talking about here is this Blue Heaven Aloe Vera and Tea Tree face wash, which helps in removing the dust and oil. At least this is what it says. And also I have ran out of my face wash. I always prefer face washes which has natural ingredients in them. So, and this is a thumbs up guys. I'll be using this right now and we'll see how does this perform.
So take a little bit on your fingertips and massage it all over your face for good 2 to 3 minutes. After that you can rinse it off using lukewarm water and you'll have a glowy
now
skin.
The next thing I'll be talking about here is this Fabia Wine Face and Body Scrub, and guys, it is very essential that you regularly exfoliate your skin in order to make it glow, because it helps in removing the dead skin cells you have over. So this is a face wash which is free from parabens, which is a great thing, and also from any other artificial colors, and also you can use it on your face, you can use it on your body or your feet. It is gonna make it glow for sure. And also we can try this out right now, and this retails for 350 rupees guys.
So guys, this is the scrub, and all you need to do is take a little bit on your fingertips and then massage it over the area you want. I am gonna massage it on my forearms, and this is gonna remove all the dead skin cells. It has little beads in it which helps in exfoliating your skin, and after doing it for good 2 to 3 minutes you can rinse it off using lukewarm water, and it is not gonna leave your skin dry. Your skin is gonna look super healthy, glowy and naturally nourished.
The next thing is this sample size Elina Reviving Moisture Mask, which consists of pomegranate and this herb called camellia. This is the quantity it has, but it has a lot of product guys. It's okay to have something in sample size as well. Also, I'll be applying this again and I'll show you guys how does this make my skin feel.
So guys, this mask was my favorite mask among all the products I got. All you need to do is take tiny bit and apply it on your face. It helps in hydrating your skin properly and also make it glow. So I left it for 10 minutes and after that I rinsed it off, and it made my skin look superb guys. It was glowing from within, and this is something I'm gonna order in full size as well.
Next thing we are gonna be talking about here is this pure honey and orange soap, and there were 2 in number, and one retails for 150 rupees, the other one also retails for 150 rupees, and let me show you the soap.
So guys, when I tried it out, I was looking forward to a soap which doesn't dry my skin out because it's already winters, and this did a perfect job. It left my skin nourished and it also helped in cleaning it as well.
Next thing is this gel, which is caffeine neem caffeine glow gel with aloe vera extracts. So what this does is it helps in hydrating your skin and it helps in making your skin glow. The best thing is it has neem. So if you're someone who has this problem of getting a lot of pimples, this is gonna be a great alternative for that, and it is also one of the best rated product out there.
So take tiny bit of the product and apply it all over your face. It helps in hydrating your skin. Also, it has neem in it.
The next thing is this nail paint, which is red in color, and this is a tint which costs you 299 rupees. Also, I'll be applying this and show you guys how does this look.
So guys, this was the color and I applied it on my nails and it looked amazing when I applied it. But after 1-2 days, it just faded away. I hated this product.
The next product is gonna be this skincare under eye gel blow bloom with aloe vera and mint extracts. This is not a sample size, guys, because obviously the surface area under your eyes is really less, so this is gonna do great there. Also, the best part about this one is also that it has aloe vera, mint and rose water, which helps in removing the puffiness and makes your eyes glow. And also I'll be applying this one right now and show you guys the results.
So take a little bit of the product on your fingertips and start massaging it around your eyes, and it helps in making your eyes glow immediately. And I have this problem of dark circles since a very long time.
Okay, so we have already got how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are already done, and I have 2 more. So total in the ZOBAG I got, there were 10 products. And also there's this very cute little bag which comes along with this, and I am obsessing over this one. Also there is this again from the same brand the under eye gel was from. This is a skincare body butter which is from the Blow Blue, and this is sample size, guys, very tiny it is. And we'll use this one also on my hand. I'll show you guys how I want to show you guys how beautifully it moisturizes your skin.
So this body butter was also one of the favorites among all the products I got in the box. It was super nourishing and it also made my skin glow.
Guys, this is the last thing, which is this hair gel which helps in making your volume go up. So anytime you want to set your hair and you do not want to use any hairspray like this hairstyle I'm wearing right now, so all you can do is, if you do not want to go your hair frizzy afterwards, then you can take just teeny bit on your hand and apply it on your hair, and it is gonna make your hair stay like that for a longer time. So guys, my overall experience with this product is amazing. Also, it is very cheap. If you count the cost of 2 products, it goes beyond the entire box. So that is a great thing. All the products are natural, free from parabens or any other chemical which can be very harmful for your skin. And every time you'll be getting a box full of happiness every month, and this is not gonna go beyond your budget as well. So guys, I really hope that you like this video, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, I would love to answer it for you guys. Also make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you know the drill. Click on the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from my channel. Follow me on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care.